Welcome back. So now we are going to add 23 plus 58, and we are going to need to regroup a 10 to do this. So this video will involve regrouping a 10. Okay, so we are going to do this again with place value blocks. So we are going to make our 10s and 1s chart. 10s on the left, 1s on the right. Okay, we are going to build our two numbers just like before. So we have 23, which has 3 1s, 1, 2, 3, and 2 10s, 1, 2, 10, 20, 1, 2, 3, 23. And now we're going to build 58. We have 8 1s in 58. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have 5 10s in 58. So we're going to build 5 10 sticks over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay? So now we see that we have more than 9 1s in the ones place, so we need to regroup a 10. So we're going to find 10 1s, and we're going to circle them. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to put a circle around those. And you can do this however you want. You can write 10 next to it. I like to draw an arrow over to the 10s place and show that that group of 10 1s is now a 10 stick. And if it's circled, we're not going to count them. We're not going to use them when we count everything up. So that group of 10 1s is now over here as a 10 stick in the 10s place. And we see that we have 1 1 left over. So now we are going to count them up just like before. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And we have 1 1 left over. Okay, plus 1. So now we have 80 plus 1, which is 81.